Hi everyone. Well, we all know what today is, and as you saw by the title, today is Jean Louise's birthday. And in honor of Jean Louise, she sent this mask out to a whole bunch of us YouTube ladies, and we are all doing this mask in honor of her today. But before I do this mask, I have to start this happy birthday video off in proper form. And that's right, Jean. There is no birthday without a happy birthday song. So get ready because I am singing you happy birthday through YouTube. So let's do this. I hope this is in the camera. Jean, I'm happy to have got to know you, by the way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jean Louise. Happy birthday to you and many more. Yay! Okay, in honor of you, please make a wish. I hope you're making a wish right now. I will blow it out in honor of you. Yay! But I'm trying to be good, so I'm not going to eat this in honor of you. But anyway, guys, I have some fun video put together for you today. I've got some interesting facts that I want to share with you about Jean Louise. But first off, we're going to get straight into the face mask. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. All of us lady got the same face mask. And this is what it is, and this is a Snail honey gel mask. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and then I'll give you the details about the mask. And also, I have some fun facts about Jean Louise. So, this is snail secretions. This is my very first snail secretion mask that I've ever done. And also, in honor of Jean Louise, Jean she doesn't edit. I'm a very heavy edit person. And for today's video, I am not going to edit this video. If I stumble over my words, I stumble over my words. That's right. We are just going to go with it. Right now, this mask is not unrolling, but you will not see me edit it. You will see me work this out for one way or the other, and we are going to get this baby on. Okay, so this is how it works. You peel this off. I don't know if I was supposed to put it on first, but it's done did now, so we are just going to put it on this way. Oh, Jean, I am so sorry if I'm messing this mask up. Oh, my. Oh, come on, baby, undo. There was probably a better way to do this, but hey, I'm getting it on, and that's what's important. And I got snail secretion on my face right now. Now, I'm going to put my glasses on. We are going to read on the proper instructions about what this mask is. Yeah, and see, there was a shield on top of it. And I don't know if you were supposed to put this on and then peel it off, but leave it up to me to do it backwards. But what it says about this, it says this has mucin micro bubbles. And it says a special formulation containing snail secretion filtrate, 7 types of hyaluronic acid and glycoproteins that help reduce fine lines and improve skin elasticity and more. Don't you love that I'm not going to edit any of this today? Woo! But what you are supposed to do is wash and dry your face, which is what I did. And then it says remove and discard the mesh from the mask and then apply to face. So yay, I accidentally did it right. Next time I should just read the instructions first, right? It says gently massage applied mask until micro bubbles dissipate and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is it, guys. We got our snail secretion mask on. I'm going to go ahead and start rubbing it in. I got my mirror right here. I'm not seeing any bubbles though. But what I want to do in honor of Jean Louise's birthday, while I'm wearing this mask, is I want to share some fun facts with you, and we'll make this a Jean Louise day. Me and Jean pretty much started our channels around the same time, pretty similar. I think her first video, one of the fun facts, because I went and looked it up to make sure that I did it right, I started my channel in May of 2019, and she started her first video on August 12th, 2019. So we were just months apart from starting our channel. And a fun fact about Jean Louise, her very first video was an Allure beauty box. And what I did this morning is I actually went back and watched the video. And Jean, you did pretty good for your first video. I think you did better on your first video than I did. I mean, I loved it. So yeah, so that was Jean Louise's first birthday, or first video. And this is her first virtual birthday, I hope, I think, I don't know. I'm being so silly today, guys. I am so nervous about doing this no editing. Please ignore me. I'm sorry, Jean. I hope you're enjoying my goofiness in honor of you, because you have such a beautiful laugh too. And that's another fun fact about Jean. She is just one of those people you just can't help but to love. She's so down to earth in her heart. When I tell you some things that I know about her, for those of you who don't know her, you're going to be blown away. But most of us ladies, we already know this about her. Okay, so are you guys ready for some fun facts? Her first video, like I said, was August 12th, 2019, and it was an Allure beauty box. I have a favorite video of hers. Yeah, that's right. I actually have a favorite video. And one of my favorite videos from her was something, I think actually Mary Kay Jones started, and it was a show and tell. They started a series and they both did it. And Mary Kay Jones, you're going to get in here too, because you had started it and you showed your bird, and I loved your bird. And then Jean Louise jumped in and she did a couple. Now, it was one of my favorite videos, Jean, that you ever did, because you really went in deep and you talked about a lot of your life stuff. And the name of the title was My Life's Obsession. And for those of you who know Jean, you know she's a dog lover. And so you know that's where she went with it. But she also shared some other stories that I thought were absolutely fascinating. And she went into her life, how she got her first dog. Her first dog's name was Roxy. And actually, as a child, she said that she was kind of scared of dogs. And that's so ironic, because dogs have become such a big part of her life. But her first dog was Roxy. And she talked about how she met her boyfriend. Her boyfriend's name is PJ. He makes regular appearances in her video also. They are such a good couple. They really work, their energy works off really good. He's funny and she has that good laugh, and just watching them interact together, they are a very good couple. You can just tell they're a couple. They are such a strong couple. And what they have very much in common is their love for dogs. And that's how they met. Yeah, through their love through dogs. And the name of Jean's dog is Amanda, and PJ's dog is Stewie. And in this video, she opened up and she talked about some of the things that I think are very, very important. She met her boyfriend, PJ, and he was a dog trainer. I don't think he trains dogs anymore, but I could be wrong. But according to the story back then, he was a dog trainer and he worked in an animal shelter. And so Jean Louise started volunteering there. And she was taking on dogs, and she was working in the shelter, and she was just getting more and more in the shelter. She started working and volunteering in the shelter. And of course, that just opened her heart up to more dogs and loving dogs. And actually, the thing that really, I mean, this brought a tear to my eye when she started talking about this in the video. She was talking about how actually at one point she started taking in hospice dogs, dogs that were dying. And she took them into her home. And yes, the shelter helped provide the medical care, but she took care of them to the end of their life. And if that doesn't go to show what a beautiful, beautiful human being she is, I think she did it 3 times with 3 different dogs. She actually takes you through her house. She shows you all the animal stuff she has, dogs that she's lost in the past, just memories of certain dogs. Yeah, so she's really a beautiful, beautiful woman that loves dogs. So, Jean, that was my favorite video you ever did. I think it was like 45 minutes long. And I actually remember the day I watched it. I was in my kitchen and I was cleaning my cabinets out and I was listening to you talk, and I just had my phone and I had you hooked up to the speaker so I could kind of see you while I was working, you know, multitasking. And I still remember like that video, that story was so intense and so deep. I would highly recommend you guys go watch the video. I will leave a link right up here if you guys want to watch it. That's how much I love the video. Yeah, so yeah, I just thought that was a beautiful story that she shared. Okay, what's some other things about Jean Louise? Oh, here's some funny things that she shared also on that video and also on a previous video. She met Jack Hanna. She met Cesar Millan. But she shares a story in another video of how she met Stephen King. And she's a big Stephen King fan, for those of you who don't know that. We all know she's a dog lover, but she was also a big Stephen King fan. And she tells this hilarious story about how she met Stephen King, how she just, I believe the story, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but from my memory, the story was she was walking, she knew he was going to be at a college and she was there to see him. She knew he was speaking, but from my memory, she was walking and they just accidentally bumped into him. And she had her book in her hand, and from what I remember, she said she just held up the book and she was so basically starstruck. She just went like this. She went, "Book?" So she's met some really interesting people in her life. Yeah, so another interesting fact about Jean Louise is she won one of my second giveaway. She won my 200 subscriber giveaway, which I think was an advent calendar. And I won a giveaway from her too last year. And here's another caring story of what she did. It was just a regular video she was doing, and I was watching it. And this was right when COVID started. And we all got in the lockdown, and it was all that back in April of 2020. And she goes, "You know what, there's so much trauma and stress and everything. I would just like to do something good and put a smile on someone's face because this is all so sad, you know?" And she's like, "I'm just going to do a surprise giveaway just to put a smile on someone's face." Well, I ended up winning, so of course she put a big smile on my face. And I just thought that was such a beautiful story of the kind of person she is. Now, I know she does surprise giveaways all the time in her videos. But back then, I mean, this was over a year ago. I don't know, maybe she did do it before then, but that was my first memory of her doing it. And just the reasoning behind that she did it, I thought was pretty special. Yeah, so I have to say, Jean has pretty much supported me from the very beginning, and I have truly appreciated so many of your kind words, of you watching my videos, of you supporting me. And I can truly say I would be honored in life if I ever got to meet you. And I hope one day all of us YouTube ladies can get together. I know somebody out there Amber is working on maybe next year of putting together something so all of us ladies can meet each other. That would be great if that works out. But I am just so happy to have met you, Jean. I am with you. Like, she is such a humble person. When you listen to her, she's like, I wouldn't even believe anybody would watch me. Like, why are you guys so nice to me? And the reason we are nice to you, Jean, is because you're real. For me, I'm just talking about me. On my channel, I edit a lot. I try to edit out a lot of my mistakes. And I think the thing that I like about you is you don't, if you stumble a word or you can't say a word, you'll just go blah, and you'll start doing your funny little laugh, and you're authentic. And I truly appreciate that about you. So I'm just honored to have got to know you, and I would love to get to meet you one day. And I hope I'm not forgetting anything else. I just thought those were some of the fun stories that I got to know about Jean Louise since 2019. So I think it's been 15 minutes of this snail mask. Actually, this snail mask really stayed on pretty good. I even left the lip little thing right here, and it did not come off. Usually I have to cut those off when I'm doing these kind of videos. But this one stayed on very nice. It's not a bad mask at all. I really like it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it off. Okay. It feels just like any other mask. You wouldn't know. It's just like a serum. You wouldn't know it was gel, whatever that is, or snail stuff, snail mucus or whatever. But Jean, thank you for including me in the honor of celebrating your birthday. I hope you liked the paper flowers that I sent you. Once again, happy birthday to you, and I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy your vacation this week. She went on vacation, guys, so I hope you enjoy your vacation. And by the way, she's doing a giveaway today, so good luck to everybody out there. If you don't know Jean Louise, go over to her channel. She's doing a giveaway. Okay, until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye, Jean, and bye everyone else too.